Hi everyone, it's Miss Sarika, and this is my first video. I'm going to be solving a problem from our packet, and if you guys have any other problems that you want me to solve, just send me an email and I can make a video. So we are on the page Finding Variable Value by Balancing Equations. We're going to find the value of A and B. Our angle XQR, which is a straight angle, is 180 degrees. I know this page is difficult, so I just want you to try your best. I am going to be modeling how to solve question 1. So all of you should have question 1 done when I collect the packets on the day we get back. So XQR is a straight angle, which is equal to 180 degrees. From what we have learned, I know that vertical angles, or angles opposite of each other, these two pink angles are the same. They have the same value. So I can set negative 3a plus 56 equal to 5a plus 40. I am going to do that right now because I know they are the same because they are vertical angles. Negative 3a plus 56 equals 5a plus 40. Now we are at a two-step equation. I want to get my variables on one side and my whole numbers on the other. The opposite of subtracting 3a is adding 3a. So I'm going to add 3a to both sides. Negative 3a plus positive 3a, 0. I bring down the 56. 5a plus 3a is 8a. And I bring down the 40. Now I have my variable on one side. I want my whole number on the other. The opposite of adding 40 is subtracting 40. So I subtract 40 from both sides. And I get 8a equals 16. My goodness, look at this. Now I need to divide by 8, and 8 goes into 16 how many times? 2. So I divide both sides by 8, and I get a equals 2. So I know what I know what a is. A equals 2. Now I need to solve for b. Well, I'm going to get another piece of paper, so just hold on. What do I know about supplementary angles? I know that supplementary angles add up to 180 degrees. And negative 3a plus 56 plus 5b plus 85 equals 180. So I'm going to create that equation. Negative 3a plus 56 plus 5b plus 85 equals 180. And from my first equation, I found out what a is. A is 2, so I'm going to plug in 2 for a. So negative 3 times 2 plus 56. Well, same sign's positive, different sign's negative. Negative 3 times 2 is negative 6 plus 56 plus 5b plus 85. Well, negative 6 plus 56 is positive 50 plus 5b plus 85 equals 180. Now I'm going to add my like terms. I can add 50 and 85 because they are both whole numbers. 50 plus 85 is 135. 5b plus 135 equals 180. This is a one-step equation. We know how to solve one-step equations. First, we deal with the whole number. What's the opposite of adding 135? Subtracting 135. And if I do it to one side, I do it to the other. 135 minus 135 is 0. 5b equals 180 minus 135 is 45. My last step is I want to get rid of the 5. The opposite of multiplying by 5 is dividing by 5. Divide both sides by 5, and I get b equals 9. So a equals 2. And b equals 9. I do understand that these are difficult problems, so I just want you to try your best. Just make an attempt. Okay? At the very least, you should have number 1 done. Okay, so this is my first video. I am going to be uploading them to YouTube today. There will be a link on Google Classroom. I hope you've already started with your packet. I've gotten a bunch of emails, which is great. Email me with any questions you want me to make a video of or anything that you need from me. Okay? I have not decided on my YouTube video name yet, so I'll get to that next. Okay, bye-bye.